video with this one. Well, if you're surprised, I know you're the one who wanted me to play Poppy Playtime for this. This is my voice, okay? I'm just not in a good mood. Actually, my videos got deleted by a stupid error. Trying to record a Poppy Playtime video, then it, kept happening. Dude, I'm gonna crash out, bro. I might have to cut the video for this. 4th time's the charm, am I right? Sorry. Gosh, something's wrong with me so bad. If this video literally doesn't work, I'm sorry. It just takes a lot of work. Am I right? Because I'm a speedrun this game and finally do what I was waiting to do. Record a game and actually make one with editing. Actually, I'm pretty lazy, so I'm not gonna do any. Grab bag. I wish I could skip this thing. What happened? Dude, my game was tweaking out for a little. Yay! Little kids be like, yay! Grab bag! I can't wait to get one of those little toys! Toy! Grabs it on someone's face, then rips the head off, and absolute gore and blood everywhere. Wires constructive used for rewiring. Got it. Sorry. Okay, sorry. If those sounds annoy you, there's nothing I can do about it. I'm gonna ignore you, green tape. I know you don't do... Dude, I thought a wasp was on my hair. Gosh, this is literally so annoying. Not the game, just... Yeesh.
Here is the devil. He is the absolute monstrosity to all toys in the world. Huggy Wuggy!
Oh, why am I sounding like that? I forgot that he was holding this key up. Really? Not that again. Bro, I need to... Thank God he absolutely did not just go through that pole. Because that happens to me every single time. Okay, I'm going to do a part 2 here. So... Or sooner.